In just 1 minute, let me introduce you to Exiway Smart System, the new way to manage emergency lighting by Schneider Electric. Our smart and modular solution makes everything simple in 3 ways. First, setup is fast and effortless, and with a powerful web server you can manage up to 1,280 luminaires. Automatic tests run according to the standard, and a clear test report is just a click away. Second, you can upload up to 50 maps to see luminary status and position, so you can act faster and more efficiently. Third, strong cybersecurity and standard protocol like Modbus give you flexible option to connect with EcoStruxure or other building management system. Exiway Smart System is a smart choice for safe, scalable and flexible emergency lighting.